Hello and welcome to Jonas the IT Guy. Today we're going to talk a bit about PowerShell. Um, See this as a quick introduction for beginners. So PowerShell is Windows built-in shell and scripting language. Version 5 is pre-installed in Windows 10 and Windows 11, but Windows 7 and up you need to install by yourself. I have another video showing how to install it from Windows Package Manager Winget. Let's see, let's start up with starting PowerShell. We're going to search here, and here we can see that we have two different installations of PowerShell. And we're going to start this one because this is PowerShell 7.6.1, the latest one available. So here we can see that we are starting, since I'm an administrator, I'm starting in Windows and System32 folder. And there's a quick command that's called cd, change directory, and then /, and we're going to get to the root in our C directory. And from here, we can do a change directory, space, and go /, and then we can tab to see which ones are available. For example, like that. We can also do a Linux command, list, and we can see the ones that are available here. So we want to go into cd, change directory, to user, and we're going to tab. And now we can do a list again, and we can see we have public and Jonas the IT Guy. And we're going to go into my own folder, change directory, Jonas, and we're going to tab. We're going to list again, and we want to go into the desktop and enter. Now we can do a list again. It won't show anything. We can do another command, get location, for example, and we can see where we are. We can do a Get-ChildItem to get all the files under there, but now we only have an Edge shortcut, so it won't actually show us anything. We can use a command called new item to create files. So now we're going to do a new item test.txt, and when I run this, it will show up on our desktop. And there we have it. If I want to read something in the command, we can do a get content test.txt, but it's empty, so we don't have actually anything. But just for the fun of it, we can open this up. Right. Hi there. And save. And now we can do this again. And it will show hi there. We can also remove files, remove item test.txt, and it will be removed from our desktop. We can use a quick command to clear our terminal or PowerShell. Like that. We have other useful commands. We can get local user, for example, to see the users that are located on our computer. We can do a local group, for example, to see the groups that we have. All these are just plain, simple, standard groups and users in Windows. I'm going to do a CLS again. New here in Windows 10 and 11 for PowerShell is that we have other buttons here. We have Windows PowerShell, and that will open up PowerShell 5. We can open up command prompt or the old CMD. We can actually open a Cloud Shell to Azure directly here, and another PowerShell 7 window. We can go through some settings here for coloring interactions and stuff like that. We're not going to do that now, so we're going to close that one. And if we want to go out from this, we can just press exit. But that was just a very quick introduction. We can do a video later on, show more advanced things, but this was just a very simple introduction to PowerShell. I myself use PowerShell every day for administering Azure, administering 365, and Windows machines and servers. So it's a very, very useful tool for if you're new in the IT field. But thanks for now. Bye.